make that train way back, spinning eight tracks, spinning out all gonna rhyme on the way that making the rapper wanna stop with a late chat. Nobody knows when I got luck in the brain bag. You couldn't even rock a show with a playback. For a mega fan, Robert Willis, I take that rack. One time about my name by the chain cat. Kick out rappers get rock, I'm bitch slap. Trap rock, ice swam, man, the flex flip flat. Sit back, got chit chat with a tick cat. Charge next man, 10 pound from a tit tat. Spit down, live quick cross with a sick chat. Shipwreck rappers get rock with a big back. Killing them in a man dick with a shit gas. Spill a man's guts with the face of a pick cat. Walk from a man, a big guy, they get a lick shot. Quick fix, bitch, them bit of the crack rock. Red hot rapper, they can knock about the script. Rock, lock up in the amateur, when they come shit. Top rubber dump, mug, get dump in the trunk. Arm with the mic and a big bag of punk jump. Punk with a buckle, I'ma come, knock a home slam. Dump, fuck a bucket from the back to the front. From the earliest pillaging and scheming with madmen. Badmen, all the way from Derry to Camden. Challenging the man, they wanna step in the track. And if it's all talking shit, I get ready to lamp him. Big mouth rappers get back up and tandem. Acting like numbs in the opening rapping. Jump up in the back of the car and give a straps in. Number fist, time to kill a man from a fat pen.
And get battered up, whacked up, spurt for that and beat down, hurt or left murk for that and blood. But that's just how things are running. When a man said he's a bad man from morning. Now wait till Sunday morning, his family's in church dressed in black mourning. Nobody had a chance to warn him, cause he had just been on stage performing. And certain girl them started to swarm him. After that just sounds quite alarming. One brother said you're a chief, and yes you can tell that I'm looking beef. Cause I live around all of the pressure on the streets. But we have a new gun, my name's stress relief. Boss one and your belly, boss one and your teeth, and heap on anyone I'm looking to eat. Because any idiot could've draw the gun back. Lick out the barrel and make the gun clap. Me I just step in the mic and I run chat. Give them the ice shot return and I come back. Mr. Vogel asked me to get strack. I said to me telling the man them to get flat. The man of the